Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for Biblical Traditions, week of 914. So, we will start this week off with the Great Theophany, how Moses got the Ten Commandments on Mount Sinai. And we'll take a look at the way that the author of that describes how Moses got the Ten Commandments. Then, of course, we're going on our field trip, the archaeological dig that this class was fortunate enough to get. And we will sort of have a scenario about how a group of people who are stranded on an island create rules, and if the community that created those rules follow those rules, things will go well. And if people don't follow those rules, things will go poorly for that community. And what we're looking at here between the Great Theophany and our field trip is the difference between a propositional form of revelation and an anthropological form of revelation. So we'll sort of get that. In this class, we're going to look at, as we go into the specific biblical traditions throughout the year, we will sort of follow this anthropological form of revelation. And the first biblical traditions that we'll look at will come from the Psalms, and we'll look at orientation, disorientation, and new orientation as sort of a hermeneutical key in which to look at the psalmody. So, we finished our opening 2 weeks sprint through the Bible last week, and you had a quiz on the books of the Bible, and you also had a quiz on the main characters, main events, and main themes. So we've gone through the entire Bible from Genesis all the way to the book of Revelation. The last quiz that we talked about is this biblical worldview quiz, and that'll be on either Wednesday or Thursday, depending on what day that you have block scheduled. I've explained exactly what this looks like, but if you have any questions, please let me know. Then there'll be two short questions. These will be done in class, but on campus. One about sort of the anthropological mode of revelation, and the other will be just sort of review questions and questions that I want you to respond to. But you can find both of those on campus. So look forward to this week, and we'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.